Friends, today we learn how to install and use the Python environment on our Android phones, and I would give you a step-by-step detail which you can follow and easily do the needful. So let's start. Now first we have to open Play Store. The icon I've highlighted and you can see that on your screen, and I'm sure everybody is aware of it. So we click on the Play Store option. On the search button, write Python, press enter. We get a lot of options from where we choose Pydroid 3, ideally for Python 3. Once we start with the installation and ultimately open to work, I'll show you the following screens which will come up on your screen too. So here I go. Now finally, this is the screen which it shows us. Now on the screen we can see an area to type in. This is the place where we'll type in our Python program. This one basically shows the line number. At the top we have a few options, out of which I'll discuss these three dots, what all we can do from here, the folder option, and this is the place our new file name and path will be shown. This button is basically to run the program once it's written. Now once I have written the program, I'll first click the three dots and show you what options do we get here. For the program, I've written a very simple code where I assign 20 to A and then I print the value A. On clicking the three dots, we get these options which says undo, redo, search for a particular thing, or go to a particular line number. Now here we can see that the line numbers are coming 1, 2, 3. So every line of the program is preceded by your line number. Now once you execute the program, you will find this is the output. Print A was 20, hence you get 20. Program finished is shown to you. And now to get back to your screen, to your place where you were writing the program, this is the button. So once I click this, I'm back to my program screen, and when I click on the folder option, these are the options I get: to open, save as, etc. Now first thing we learn is how to save the file. So when I click on the save option, it opens the internal memory for me, and therein I can specify a folder where I want to save my programs. So once I've done that, it shows me the file name along with the location where you have marked it to store. Now here we see one more small program where I'm accepting input from the user and then using that input. So here is the code where we accept the input using the input function, then convert the data in the integer form and store it in A, and then I'm using the value A. How does it look in the output? So first we get this particular line, that's enter a number, and then once you've entered the number, you can see that this is how it shows, like I entered 45, so it shows me you entered 45, which was the actual code, and then the program is finished for me. So that is what is the basic understanding of how to use Python once it's installed. And once you are out of this particular mode, how do I re-enter Python mode? This is the icon you will have on your phone by the name Pydroid 3. So you can click on it and start. So I think you all are ready to start with your journey with Python. All the very best.